How to find reels you watched on Facebook. This method helps you view your watch history and revisit reels you've seen. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Following that, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings to access your account settings. Moving forward, scroll down to the Your Facebook Information section. Afterwards, tap on Activity Log to view all your Facebook activity. In addition to that, tap on the filter icon at the top to narrow down your search options. Once there, scroll down and select Video Watch History or Reels from the filter categories. Subsequently, you'll see a list of all the reels and videos you've recently watched on Facebook. Moreover, tap on any reel from the list to watch it again or view details about when you watched it. Afterwards, you can scroll through your watch history to find specific reels you're looking for. Then, if you want to clear your watch history, tap on the three dots next to any reel and select Remove from Watch History. Within this section, you can also manage your viewing preferences and control what appears in your history. Alternatively, you can also find recently watched reels by going to your profile and checking your recent activity section. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your watched reels on Facebook, please like this video, subscribe for more Facebook tricks, and enable the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.